Atomic Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our review of Atomic Wallet. Before we dive in, remember that links to the wallet and other useful products are included in the description below. Atomic Wallet is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet that provides users with a secure way to manage, exchange, and stake over 500 coins and tokens. This wallet was designed for crypto enthusiasts who prioritize security, privacy, and a user-friendly interface. One of the standout features is that you maintain full control of your private keys, which are encrypted on your device. This means Atomic Wallet never has access to your funds, making it a highly secure option. For those who frequently trade or manage a diverse portfolio, Atomic Wallet includes a built-in exchange that supports atomic swaps, allowing you to exchange cryptocurrencies directly without relying on a centralized exchange. Additionally, Atomic Wallet has integrated with popular decentralized exchanges to provide even more trading options. Another key feature is staking, which is available for a variety of coins. The staking rewards are competitive, and the process is straightforward, making it an excellent option for users looking to earn passive income from their holdings. The wallet is available on multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS, ensuring accessibility across devices. The user interface is intuitive, with clear navigation and real-time updates on your portfolio's performance. Atomic Wallet also offers a native token, AWC, which provides additional benefits like reduced exchange fees and higher staking rewards when held in your wallet. This wallet is best suited for users who want a combination of convenience, security, and advanced features without sacrificing privacy. However, it's important to note that while Atomic Wallet is secure, it doesn't offer hardware wallet support, which might be a downside for those who prefer cold storage. Additionally, being a non-custodial wallet means if you lose your private keys or backup phrase, your funds cannot be recovered, so make sure to store them securely. In summary, Atomic Wallet offers a comprehensive solution for managing and trading a wide variety of cryptocurrencies. Its strong emphasis on security and privacy, combined with an easy-to-use interface and powerful features like staking and atomic swaps, make it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced crypto users. If these features align with your needs, Atomic Wallet is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details.